Hey folks, today is December 28th. It's currently 8:48 in the morning. As you guys can see here, we're looking at the scientific trading machine chart. And right now I'm looking at the USD Japanese yen. Let me put the timer on here real quick. All right, I'm considering taking a long trade here. You can see all three higher time frames are green. Green here. This is potentially turning red. But if we get an up bar, I'm sure it'll be green. And basically our stop will be here. Take profit will be up around here. And also you can see our swing dot and signal dot are right on top of each other. Let's keep on looking just to see what else is available. All right, so not really much else. So hopefully this USD Japanese yen will come into play here. $30 until this bar ends. Hopefully we'll get it to close back up near the top. Well, it's definitely come up a little bit. We're back green again. A couple seconds to go here. Good thing about this trade is that we were already seemingly in an uptrend. Obviously, we're not moving sideways, and we're able to take our profit if it does hit it without making a new high here. All right, so now we basically just wait. We'll see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and pause it so we don't make this video too long here. I'll be back shortly. All right, folks, we're starting to push up a little bit towards our profit target here. Also wanted to mention that, as you guys can see here, the next webinar is actually going to be on January 7th. So they finally have that scheduled. I was sure in one of the vendors conversations in the members area that he said we were going to have a webinar this week going over Signal X or System X, but it looks like we're going to have to wait until next week on Saturday. I'm still going to keep my eyes open and continue to watch and see if we're going to have any webinars to end out 2016. Hopefully we will, but we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So for right now, January the 7th is looking like it's going to be the next webinar that we have. And actually, let me check and see if we have a new indicator that's been released today. This should be week 4. All right, so that's not released yet. I know week 3 was the market correlation indicator, so hopefully week 4 will be released later on today or tomorrow. All right, market just went through our profit target, as you guys just saw. And again, the reason I took this trade is because the cloud was green. We had our signal bar, not signal bar, our signal dot and our swing dot were right on top of each other. And down here, we had the RSI above 0 in green. Down here, we had the STMHA bar that was green as well. So everything looked good for a long trade. We weren't in a sideways market. All right, so if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to send them my way. I want to check on one other thing here in the back office. Give me 1 second, folks. All right, folks, I wanted to show you guys some confirmation on something that I mentioned before in a previous video. I saw this in the members area here. He says, hi, for signal to be valid, both swing and signal dot should be on the same side. In the below chart, do we have a sell signal? And the vendor says, yep, both signal and swing should be on the same side. Other way won't give us over 30% of win rate. So let's see what he's looking at here. All right, I'm not exactly. It looks like he took a buy right here, I'm guessing. And that's from this trade. No, it can't be from that trade. Perhaps he took this sell. Actually, looking at the setup, you can see all higher time frames are ready for a short, short, short. The cloud is red. We have this white dot here. And then we also have this yellow dot here. So he was taking this trade based on these two dots, it looks like. And that's the same mistake I made before. So obviously this was not a proper signal. As you can see here, the vendor says both the signal and swing dot should be on the same side. So I just wanted to mention that to you guys again so you guys don't make that mistake. Another point, went through the poster chart section. All right, this is just some of the people, and I've noticed most of the people are trading on the 15-minute chart. All right, hi, Nicole. 22 and 23 December, 6 trades, 5 wins, 1 loss. All were conservative 15-minute trades. The Trader's Console really helps a lot, selecting the best pairs to focus on. Let's see what this individual was able to take here. Okay, so it looks like this line is the long trade. And it also looks like they changed up the Trader's Console. So your guys is will most likely look like this. Since I had purchased mine the day it came out, I do remember him saying something that he was going to just update the look of it so that it's a little bit smaller on the chart. All right, so this individual took this long trade. You can see the yellow and green dots right there. He took his long right here. And it looks like his profit target got hit right there. Let's check out this trade. You can see 2 red right here for the higher time frames. And again, he just made it smaller. All right, but we have yellow, white. Down here, everything is red. He took the trade here and got out right here. Good setup. All right, same situation here. Green, green. Looks like he got in right here at this bar. And this is a loss, it looks like. So the market came down, took him out right there. Same thing here. We got the yellow and we got the white dot right there. Everything is red down here, got in here, and took our profit down here at this point. So as you guys can see, the 15 minutes seems to be doing extremely well. So that's something you guys might want to look at trying, so that way you won't have to focus on the 1 hour, which is most likely going to keep your trades open for days at a time. You guys can see here, got in right here at this point for a long setup. The yellow and green dots are basically on top of each other there. And he was out for a profit right here at this point. So lots of great trades there. Here's somebody else. Here are my first 4 conservative trades. The AUD Japanese yen short, I did notice the first time entry during London session, but I missed. Then I've got another opportunity to enter during the New York session. Okay. Let's see what he was able to do here. All right, so it looks like he was looking for a short. Here's his entry. Stop is right here. Take profit is right here at this level. Stop is there. Entry's right here. And take profit is right there. So it definitely looks like the 15-minute charts are giving some nice signals. Again, here, 2 higher time frames are red. Got the yellow dot, white dot right here. You can see the stop is right there at the white dot. Enter the bar after this, enter the trade after this bar closed. So he got in right here, and he's waiting on his profit target to get hit right here. All right, so great stuff. All right, one tip, if you have just 3 to 5 pips stop, try using swing dot for the stop loss. If that doesn't work, I would stay aside, since any news can move the market up 3 points in a second. Try to have around at least a 15 pip stop. All right, so definitely lots of good information that we were able to come across here. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get more information on the Scientific Trading Machine, make sure you click the link below. All right, folks, so hope you guys had a great holiday, and I'll see you on the next video.